To create a multisig wallet in Phantom, you first need to understand what a multisig wallet is. A multisig wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that requires multiple signatures or approvals before a transaction can be executed. This adds an extra layer of security and control over your digital assets. Step 1. Download and install the Phantom Wallet extension from the official Phantom website. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser and select Create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including creating a password and backing up your seed phrase. Step 2. Navigate to the Settings page in your Phantom wallet and click on the Advanced tab. From here, select the Multisig wallet option. You will be prompted to specify the number of signatures required for a transaction and the addresses of the signers. Step 3. Add the addresses of the signers. These can be other Phantom wallets or other Solana-compatible wallets. You can add multiple addresses and specify the percentage of signatures required for a transaction. For example, if you have 3 signers, you can require 2 out of 3 signatures for a transaction. Step 4. Review and confirm the multisig wallet settings. Make sure to double-check the addresses and the signature requirements. Once confirmed, your multisig wallet will be created. Best practices for using a multisig wallet include using a combination of hardware and software wallets for the signers, keeping the seed phrases and private keys secure, and regularly reviewing and updating the multisig wallet settings. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and controlled multisig wallet in Phantom.